Yeah, well, the Big Bad Ben, it's looking awesome, lots of drama. It's pretty windy, the clouds down, can't see the summit. There's plenty of snow and ice about, which is encouraging, quite exciting, but it's very mild. We're going to play it safe. We're also worried about avalanche danger. High up, there's been a lot of wind loading different aspects of slopes. And with the mild temperatures as well, there could be some avalanches today. So we're going to go over to Waterfall Climb, which is just to the right of Carngerag, sort of steep technical ice climb. We're going to do that and see how we get on really, and just try and enjoy it, but be safe today. Saw the forecast and thought, oh, we're not going to get anything done, but just the mindset thing in Scotland, you just got to get on with it really. If you waited for good weather, you might wait a very long time. Just remembering how good it is, the rock and everything and the architecture, yeah, it's mega. There's so much to do. Just on this bit of Ben Nevis, I mean, there's just lines all over the place.